Welcome back to United States Products. Today we're excited to present the ultimate dual-screen laptop designed for enhanced productivity and creativity. This laptop features a 15.6-inch LCD main screen with a resolution of 1920x1080, providing stunning visuals and clarity for all your tasks. Complementing this is a 7-inch touchscreen with a resolution of 1200x1920, perfect for handwriting input using a stylus. The ultra-narrow borders give it a sleek look, and with a 93% screen-to-body ratio, it offers an expansive viewing experience. The laptop's versatility shines through its dual-screen design, allowing users to multitask efficiently. The 180-deg opening and closing capability ensures comfortable use, whether you're at a coffee shop or in a boardroom. This feature-rich laptop is ideal for students, professionals, and creatives who need to manage multiple applications simultaneously. Weighing in as an ultra-thin and lightweight device, it's perfect for on-the-go use. The 38,000 mAh battery ensures 4 to 7 hours of continuous usage, making it reliable for extended work or study sessions. Connectivity is seamless with options such as a backlit keyboard, fingerprint recognition, and a numeric keypad. Additional ports include dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.2, 2x USB 3.0, mini HDMI, a headphone jack, TF card slot, and a USB Type-C port, catering to all your connectivity needs. Powered by the Intel Celeron N95 quad-core processor, with speeds up to 3.4 GHz and 16 GB of DDR4 RAM, this laptop delivers exceptional performance. The 512 GB SSD ensures quick data access and ample storage space. The pluggable 200W HD camera is detachable, providing privacy and high-quality visuals for video calls and online meetings. The front dual stereo sound enhances your multimedia experience, making video calls and online classes feel immersive. Pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro and MS Office 2019, including essential tools like Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, this laptop is ready to use right out of the box. Our customer service team is always available to assist you within 24 hours for any queries. Explore the cutting-edge features of this dual-screen laptop with us. Subscribe to United States Product, hit the notification bell, and stay updated with the latest tech reviews.